Meow there, hoomans. Did you know that 1 in 3 tiny humans struggle to learn the alphabet? That's a lot of confused kiddos out there, staring at letters like they're ancient cat hieroglyphics. But don't worry, your favorite Siamese scholar, Professor Yuyu, is here to test 10 genius learning hacks that claim to be even better than ABCmouse. Let's see if they pass the perfect test. Learning the alphabet should be fun, but let's be honest, sitting in front of a screen repeating ABC is about as exciting as watching a turtle race. That's why today, I'm showing you 10 pawsome learning hacks to make ABCs a game, an adventure, and maybe even a little snackable. Let's get learning! I see it all the time. Kids lose interest faster than I lose patience waiting for treats. The problem? Letters don't feel exciting. The solution? Make learning an interactive experience, like how I turn everything into playtime, even things I'm not supposed to. So let's dive into these hacks and make ABCs the most exciting thing since catnip. Hide letter cards around the house and let kids find them like a treasure hunt. Every time they find one, they say the letter out loud. It turns learning into an adventure. And if you let me help, I'll definitely make it more challenging by swatting the letters under the couch. Did you know touching things helps brains remember better? Instead of boring worksheets, let kids trace letters in sand, rice, or shaving cream. The feeling of each letter makes it stick in their memory. And if you let me near it, I'll add an extra challenge by making kitty paw prints in the middle of their masterpiece. Who says learning can't be a dance party? Studies show that moving while learning helps kids remember faster. So every time they say a letter, they can jump, spin, or do a silly dance. Try it with me. A for aerial pounce. B for backflip. Okay, maybe I'll leave that last one to the gymnasts. Turn your fridge into a learning station. Let kids spell words with letter magnets while waiting for snack time. It's hands-on, fun, and gets them seeing letters daily. Just be prepared, because as your cat, it is my duty to knock them all off. Want kids to really remember letters? Have them make up silly stories using words that start with the same letter. Example, Silly Steve stole 7 sandwiches. It helps with letter recognition, creativity, and giggles. My turn. Yuyu yodeled yesterday, yikes! Forget store-bought flashcards, make your own. Have kids draw pictures that match each letter. C is for cat. Obviously a very handsome Siamese one. Personal connections help letters stick. Little hands learn best when they touch. Let kids shape letters with Play-Doh, pipe cleaners, or even cookie dough. Bonus points if you make cat-shaped letters and name them after me. Let kids draw big letters on the sidewalk and step on them while saying the names. Bigger movements mean better memory. Plus, fresh air and sunshine? An A+ for brain power. Throw a ball back and forth while saying letters. This makes learning active, social, and super fun. Just don't expect me to throw it back. I'm a cat, not a retriever. Food is the perfect motivator. Use alphabet cookies, fruit slices, or pancakes shaped like letters. When kids see, say, and snack, learning feels effortless. And don't forget to share with me. The best hack? Making learning an adventure. Kids and cats learn best when it's playful, creative, and unexpected. Let them mix and match these hacks for maximum fun. Which hack was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. And if you have your own genius alphabet tricks, drop them below. I might even test them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Yuyuverse for more pawsome learning. See you next time. Bye!